Unlock instant sales and happy customers by offering flexible payment with Afterpay integrated directly into your Square system. First, ensure you have an active Square seller account and that your business is eligible for Afterpay. You'll typically find the Afterpay integration option within your Square dashboard. Log into your Square dashboard and go to your account settings. Look for a section related to payment methods or marketplace integrations. Here, you should see Afterpay as an available integration. Click on the button to connect or enable Afterpay for your business. You'll likely be prompted to review and agree to Afterpay's terms and conditions. Once connected, Afterpay will become a payment option for your customers both online through your Square online store and in person at your Square terminal. When a customer chooses Afterpay at checkout, they'll be guided through a quick and easy application process within the Afterpay app or on their browser. They can then pay for your products or services for interest-free installments. This seamless integration means you receive your full payment upfront from Square, while Afterpay handles the installment payments directly with your customer, boosting your sales and customer loyalty. Empower your business with flexible payments and watch your sales grow.